We will be using the simple Tunisian stitch for this pattern. Since number 4 yarn is already quite chunky, I made a pattern that mimics Tyongya's ear shape by creating a curved petal shape instead. No need for extra stuffing. Row 1, leave at least 6 inches of yarn. Then make a slip knot and chain 4 times. Turn the chain and pull 3 loops through these back stitches. This completes your forward pass for row 1. Each row is completed with a backward pass. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops 3 times. We will repeat this same pattern for rows 2 and 3. Row 2. Pull yarn through these front loops 3 times. For all end stitches, always pull through both the front and back loops for an even seam. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Row 3, pull yarn through the front loops 3 times. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Row 4, pull yarn through the front loops 3 times. We'll be making the curved edges of the ears by making a decrease on both corners. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops to decrease on the left, then yarn over and pull through 3 loops to decrease on the right side. Chain 1 to finish. The base petal shape is now done, but it's still pretty flat. We need to turn it into a concave to mimic Tyongya's ears. To do this, we're going to slip stitch all around the petal. Make sure to keep your stitches tight so that the ear curves inwards. Keep the tension for this bottom part normal. Then keep the stitches tight again along this side until you go back to the top. Once you've completed the round, chain 1 to finish. Then cut and weave in your ends. The petal shape should now curve in like this. Just repeat this whole pattern for the other ear. Use the tail end of the yarn to sew the ear into your doll. For my Tyongya, I sewed the ears in along the center line of the head. If the placement doesn't look right, don't be afraid to adjust the ears until it looks right to you. And that's how you make Tyongya style puppy ears.